A Washington, D.C.-based group is suing Alabama Secretary of State John Merrill over access to voter registration records.
So the Campaign Legal Center filed a lawsuit on behalf of Greater Birmingham Ministries to seek lists of purged voters, as well as Alabamians denied the right to vote due to felony convictions under the National Voter Registration Act. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker joins us now in the studio with the latest on this litigation. Dallas.
That's right. The lawsuit asked the court to declare that Merrill is in violation of the National Voter Registration Act and to order him to provide those records without cost to the small Birmingham-based nonprofit. The Greater Birmingham Ministries, which assists voters with registration and restoration of rights, says it needs those lists to better inform those who can legally vote but may not be aware of their rights to do so. Now, the center claims Merrill refuses to produce the list of purged voters without payment and also alleges that the state refuses to provide any lists regarding voter registration denials or voter purges by reason of a felony conviction. The CLC says the state is required to provide electronic copies of registration records which accurately reflect the current official list of eligible voters free of cost. And CLC Senior Director Danielle Lang says the state's costs are a bit excessive.
Secretary Merrill is not doing any voter in Alabama any service by denying GBM these records. GBM is trying to perform a public service for all of Alabama in helping to engage voters. And Alabama doesn't do any service charging $37,000 for the voter file. What that means is that political parties can access the voter file and do engagement, but nonprofit groups and church groups and other groups can't afford to do so.
Now, Danielle Lang went on to say Alabama has the most expensive charges for its voter records in the country. She says many of states don't charge more than a couple $100s. And I reached out to Secretary Merrill for his response to the allegation. Of course, his office says he cannot comment on pending litigation.